Okay, I'm here because of my sister-in-law Jyoti, who's standing right beside me. She's opened a clothes line for children. This was her dream for a very long time, and today it's the kind of completion. And so, for us as a family, I think it's a very emotional moment because Jyoti has finally done what she has been dreaming for a very long time. And I'm extremely happy for her because she's worked very hard and she's been working very hard all these years behind the scenes, and today finally she's got a chance to showcase her work through a store. Kids line is something that we don't get to see often, and people always struggle with getting their children's clothes done because whether you go for a wedding or you have a children's birthday party or you want to buy something for kids, you seldom find places for kids, and everybody's stressed out कि बच्चों के कपड़े हम कहाँ से कराएं, because there are no boutiques for children. So I'm so happy that right in the middle of Juhu, Jyoti's been able to showcase her stuff, and with all the work that I've seen today of Jyoti's, I think they're excellent and they're wonderful. So I'm sure all the mothers, all the people will be very happy to buy clothes for their children, and I would encourage everybody to come and buy some stuff for my sister-in-law, not because she's my sister-in-law, because her work is really good.
I think it's a wonderful thing that Amy has opened her store here in Juhu in a very posh area, the right place, and it's such a beautiful store, and her clothes have always been fabulous. She's always helped me with my styling, and and it's nice that there's a variety of art, of jewelry, and of Amy's clothes. So I think it's going to be a big attraction here in this area.
I think Amy has done a fantastic job. The store is huge. So essentially in a place like Mumbai where all the stores are so closeted and you're lacking for space, I think all of her clothes and all of the items are displayed really well. And you can honestly spend time over here to make your decisions and choose them well.
Tonight I'm here for Amy Villamoria, and also because Jyoti is showcasing her children's wear. I think it's a lovely store. It's going to be a great place to come here and just roam around because there's so much to see. There's artwork, there's lovely children's clothes, which is so rare to find in our city. And Amy has done a superb job with like lovely flowery summer wear. So I'm here for all of them.